Hey, welcome back to the Bear Cave. I know it's been a while, but I've got some great videos on the way, starting with this one. The plastic cat is a custom polycarbonate Bakeneko with a unicorn style weight that was designed by Holly as a commission for my friend Fizz, and he graciously lent me the file to get custom produced. You probably now know of it as the Tenchi, which is the version 2, while my unit is still the original version 1. Speaking of version 1s, you can get your very own over at PCBWay. Big thanks to them since they made this project happen. PCBWay provides CNC machining, 3D printing, PCB prototyping, and so much more. You can instantly get quotes for any projects, and there is a wide variety of material options for full customizability. More information in the description. I'll go deeper into detail on how exactly to order a board from them, so stick around. For today's build, I've got an aluminum plate and some mint chocolate chip switches. My friends over at Near Lucid had an amazing time with these, and I wanted to try them out since I haven't used tactiles in a hot minute. You can check these out over at DangKeebs. For my PCB and daughter board, I'll just be using the Bakeneko ones from DangKeebs. The only thing I'd really like to mention about this build process is that for an open source Bakeneko build, you'll have to be using clip-in stabilizers. The footage you see here is me modding some OwlLab stabs to use. Unfortunately, for the open source Bakeneko, which the plastic cat is modified and derived from, you can only use clip-in stabilizers. So that's what ended up in the final build. Finally, I topped it off with GMK white on black katakana, sent over by Drop, thanks Michael, and a GMK Shanshui numbskull artisan, thanks Will. The finish on the polycarbonate was actually really nice, which surprised me because I just went with their default frosted look, and because the board was finished in a really short time frame, about a week and a half. There were some small marks on the polycarbonate, but nothing on the outside or visible areas once fully built. Before the sound test, I'll quickly go over how exactly you can get something like this made yourself. Simply go to the PCBWay site, drag your file into the CAD slot, then choose all of your options. There wasn't much to it as I went with a default polycarbonate. One thing that I will emphasize is that you must use tab screws. I made a mistake and didn't choose this, and my build kind of ended up scuffed. Finally, I left all the other settings as is and got my quote. One of the PCBWay engineers should reach out to you to discuss specifics. Now how does it sound? Let's hear it. Finally, since most people like to build their Bakenekos with linears, I've made one more configuration, featuring the Bling switches from Velocifier. I'll have a full review on these coming up on the next video. Overall, I had an amazing experience getting this custom made. All the things that went wrong were my fault, and I would totally recommend this to anyone interested. As always, drop a like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comment section. Thanks for visiting the cave.